In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a macOS Tahoe USB bootable drive. Before we get started, it's worth noting that you need to have a USB drive of at least 16GB of space or more. The first thing we need to do is connect the USB drive to our Mac and then format it so it's ready for later. To do this, we want to open our disk utility application, and when it's open, it will look like this. Now you should see the connected drive listed in the left hand side menu. To format it, we want to make sure it's highlighted, and then you want to select Erase. In the pop-up box, you want to give it a name, so I'm going to call it Tahoe. It's important you remember this name as you need it for later on. Now in the formatting options, you want to make sure macOS Extended Journaled has been selected, and then we're going to select Erase. Just remember that when you erase this USB drive, it's going to remove everything on it, so make sure it's backed up if it is important. Once we've done this, we're going to select Done, and now we can exit out of the disk utility. Now we've formatted the USB drive, we just need to go ahead and download the installer to our Mac. So to do this, we're first going to select the Apple logo in the top left hand corner, and you want to select App Store. Once you've opened the App Store, in the search box, you want to type in macOS, and then the version of macOS you want. So in this example, it's going to be Tahoe. Once you've searched for it, it should be the top result, so you want to click into it and select Get. However, because this is still the current version of macOS as of recording this video, it's not going to be listed in the App Store, so we need to download it via a terminal. So to do this, we're going to open the terminal, and then we need to go ahead and type in this command to download the macOS installer to our Mac. Just bear in mind that the last digit here is going to represent the macOS version we want to download. macOS Tahoe is version 26, and as of recording this video, macOS Tahoe 26.1 is the latest version, so I'm going to use that. So we're going to paste this command into the terminal, and once we've done it, we're going to press enter, and then it's going to begin to download the installer to your Mac. And this may take a while depending on your internet connection speed. Now we've finished downloading the installer, we just need to mount it to the USB drive so it can be bootable later. So to do this, we need to enter in a terminal command, and again I'll leave this linked in the description of this video where you can copy it from there. So all we need to do is to copy and paste this into the terminal. However, before we execute it, it's important that we type the name of the USB that we formatted earlier. So for the example of this video, it's going to be Tahoe. And once we're ready, we're going to press enter. Now we need to enter in the password we used to log into our Mac, and then you want to press enter. Now it's going to inform us that it's going to erase the USB drive again, so we're going to press Y and press enter, and then it's going to go ahead and erase the disk and mount the installer to the USB drive so it can be bootable later on. And again, this may take a while, so you just want to wait for this to complete. Now the installer has finished mounted onto the USB drive, we can exit out of the terminal application, and then you want to go ahead and eject it from your Mac, and you can remove it. And now we can go ahead and use this USB drive to install macOS Tahoe to any other Mac. To show you what this looks like, we first need to connect the USB to the Mac. Now we need to go ahead and shut it down. Now we just need to boot the Mac into recovery mode. If you have an Intel Mac, you first want to turn it on, and then you want to press and hold Command and R. However, if you have an Apple Silicon Mac like I have, all you need to do is press and hold the power button. Now you want to keep pressing and holding the power button until the text underneath the logo says load in startup options. Now we can release. So after a few seconds, you should be booted into the startup options. From here, all we need to do is select install macOS Tahoe and select continue. And after a few seconds, you'll be taken to the macOS recovery mode. So you want to select a user profile and select next. Now you need to enter in the password to log into that user profile and select continue. After a few seconds, the macOS Tahoe installer will open, and now you just want to go ahead and follow the step-by-step process to install macOS Tahoe to the Mac. And that's it. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.